Hey there everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can create and form an LLC in Montana. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this website called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website for creating LLC in a simple way. And why I recommend using LegalZoom? Not only because it's amazing service, but only because you can actually focus on a business. I'm seeing plenty of entrepreneurs who are starting out and they are micromanaging everything, business administration, accounting, and they are not actually focusing on generating more revenue. So I will get to it in the end of the video about how you can create effective processes and you will like it. So click here on LLC, and now what do you want to call your LLC? Let's just with a simple name, Stone's Company, or like choose your name. Now check availability. When you're going to do it, you want to like in one state would you like to form. Let's go with the Montana. Click search. And right now, as you can see, no one created it in Montana. So I'll just add your email address and click here, get my LLC. Now, where do you want to launch? I'm already running soon or one day in the future. Let's go with the soon. And then continue. And is Stone's Company your first LLC? Yes. What will Stone's Company do? I'm going to write here e-commerce, but you just write here your own segment. Will Stone's Company have employees in the first year? Yes, no. I'm going to press no. If you're gonna have employees, just press yes. Essential services for Stone's Company. By law, you will require a registered agent. This is an official address service for state and current documents, and you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So see essential services. Now here, like relax with our registered agent. So LegalZoom is going to offer you their registered agent, or you can like appoint a different registered agent that you got. You can continue with LegalZoom. Continue with LegalZoom, and now you have options to have an operating agreement for $100, or have an operating agreement plus N, like which is like you need to do it to file taxes and also open a bank account, or you can go with the operating agreement and licenses. Federal, state, and local permits and licenses. This is like the whole deal. I recommend going with the middle one or the last one. Again, up to which one you choose. So let's go with the middle one. And now, LegalZoom is going to also offer their business services as Legal Protect and Total Compliance. So first is legal guidance. They can like give you the 30-minute consultation with independent attorneys if you have any legal issue of employment. You can also take it as a trial or no thanks. Or then you can have a total compliance here, and this is okay because they will help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And one thing I really like is that if they miss anything, they pay the fine or penalty. It's not going to affect you. So this is something that can be worth it for you. Now you can also again take my included trial or no thanks. Now here you're going to see package that you can actually choose between economy, standard, or express gold. I recommend going with the express gold only because you're going to have like in 10 business days, you're going to have your own company. And also you're going to have a 7 days a week lifetime customer support. But again, if it can wait, you can choose the economy version. It's going to take 30 days. It's completely up to you. Okay. So when I'm going to click on it, I can simply also open in Bank of America account. And then I can go to checkout. I can see it's going to cost me $600, which is not that much for like Express Gold in 10 days, or you can choose the cheaper version. Continue checkout. Now you just add here the first name, last name, address, and also the card number, and you can have like one payment here or whatever. And this is pretty much it. And now let's talk about the processes I was talking about. So I'm seeing people focusing all the time on useless stuff which are not generating revenue and which are not really effective for them. So what you want to do is this. Focus on the things that matter. Focus on the things that can generate revenue for you, or which are impactful for your business. So the first thing you want to do is to plan your days in advance, so you're not being distracted, so you don't have chaos in your life. First, what I want to do tomorrow. Okay, so I want to plan my days in advance. In the evening, I always plan my day, what I will do tomorrow, how my day will look like, what kind of work I want to like fulfill. I'm going to create an Excel sheet, ClickUp, Monday.com, Notion, it doesn't matter. You set it up, and then, are you a morning person or evening person? In what part of the day you are more effective? I'm a morning person. So I work in the morning from 4 a.m. If you're an evening person, I recommend sleeping until 10 a.m. and just like working until late. It can be much more effective for you. Then what you want to do is to remove all the distractions there are. Disable notifications from your phone. Remove Instagram from your phone. Remove Facebook Messenger from your phone. Don't use it. Remove Reddit. Everything that can distract you, gone. You can use it on computer at particular time, like let's say 1 day per week. Okay, it's maybe enough. If you needed to contact with your customers, do it only like every second day, not all the time. Let's say that I will contact you only in those times, in the evenings or in the mornings, like when you are when you have the rest time, then you can like chat with them. But that's it. Focus all your attention to work, not on a social media, not on what is happening, not with the COVID, not with anything. Just pure business focus. And now let's continue. The next thing that you want to do is to eat more healthier. No sodas, no sugar. You are going to feel, how would I call it? You just want to be sleepy all the time if you're going to eat sugar, because it's going to spike your health and spike your, like, how it works, your processes in your brain and in your also gut. And then you are going to be too heavy for a stomach and you will feel just tired and you want to like take a nap. Don't do that. Now, when you will do this, what you want to do in the evening, reflect every day how well did you spend your day, how effective you were this day comparing to yesterday, and do this every single day. What was the things that did not go well for me? Okay, so I watch Netflix in the morning. And then what you can do is like, okay, I need to remove my phone from desk only because it like attracts my attention, and then I'm going to watch Netflix TV shows. Remove it. Just go put it in another room so we can focus on the work. It's going to be hard the first days, but you will adjust, trust me. And then the next thing that I always recommend is like, okay, you have 10 hours of work every single day. In 10 hours of work, you're gonna achieve this amount of work. So in 10 hours, you will create this amount of, I don't know, content, whatever. What is the goal here? And at this quality. So 10 hours of work will get you this amount of content. And what is the goal here is like, okay, in what way I can, in 10 hours of work, generate this type of content, this more content. How effective I can do it. Is it possible? I think it is. It's the same quality. They are not lowering the quality if you are to increase the volume of things that you can do. You are lowering the spending time on things that don't matter at all. And that's how we do it. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And also you can write me an email and have a consultation about how to set up your business and how to be effective in your business. I can help you with that. And yeah,